Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Well, happy Saturday, happy Valentine's Day. Just happy. Happy to be alive, just happy. Today is New Year's for the Asians, Chinese. And so down here at the park, they were having a parade and they had a festival. All kind of little activities and all kind of different food. I'm talking about a little bit of everything. But I've never ate this. Don't laugh at me if y'all have, but I've never ate a fried burger. I'm talking about all the way crispy fried burger. It's called cheesy fried burger. You can just get it with this fried, but this got cheese on it. I wanted the cheese one. I'm curious about the taste, so let's try it out. I'm talking about this extra crispy. Look, I mean, it's a real burger in the inside. I was curious. Don't taste bad. Don't taste bad. It's different. Check this plate out, y'all. You see that? I got it too close. And them some fried cheesy fries. They crispy. I guess this with the meal will be a crispy. Crispy fries. Crispy cheesy fries, I'm assuming. Not bad. It's different, but not bad. That was my first time ever eating a fried cheeseburger. I was just letting y'all see this fried crispy cheeseburger. I'm talking about fried. It was different, but it tastes pretty good. I hope y'all having a good Valentine's Day or whatever you choose to do. Know that I love you and God loves you too. Crispy cheeseburger.